when you see the Taj Mahal, okay, when we cover the center line in the Taj Mahal, then you will get left side and right side. Both have the same figure. So now see, here is a kite. So from which place we cut the kite so that both have the same shape. So now let us see, when we fold this is a straight line, then we will get both have a same figure. Okay, so let us see. Have you seen now? One part overlap the other part, and left and right both are the same now, and both shape are the equal. And so this is line is known as the line of symmetry. Why it is known as a line of symmetry? Because this is line of symmetry. It's change one figure into two equal or identical figures. Okay, so we get one line of symmetry. If we want to turn from another side, then what happen? Let us see. Can both have the same figure? No. We will get two parts. One is smaller and the other one is a bigger image. So can we get same parts? No. So lines which makes same part on both sides, so that is known as a line of symmetry. But those lines from which not cover the same figure, that is not a line of symmetry. So now this is a pentagon. When we turn like this, then we get, see, both have the same partner. So if we turn except this line of symmetry, then we will not get a same part. So these two figures have only one line of symmetry. So but now rectangle. So in this rectangle, I think we will get a not one, more than one line of symmetry. Okay? Here. Both are the same parts in this rectangle. When we turn like this, then it also cover the same figure. So now we will get two line of symmetry. Okay? See. First like this, and second one like this. Now, when we turn it from diagonal, then can it cover the same figure? No. Is it possible? No. You can do it practically. You can cut shape like this, and you can turn. Okay. So when we see the same figure, then yes, then you will get a same figure. After turning, they have to overlap, otherwise, not. So from its diagonal, it is not get a symmetrical line. So, so we will see in this rectangle only two line of symmetry, not from diagonal. How many? A square, then it has a four line of symmetry. First from one, see, So two parts are overlapping now. Now see. Okay. So now we will get two line of symmetry. And also we will get diagonal through, we will get one more line of symmetry. देखो see, figure overlap to each other na, means cover, both have the same part. Turn from another diagonal. Okay. So now in square we will get four line of symmetry. Okay. So now we will get four figure. Kite have one. This one also have a one line of symmetry. So in rectangle has only two line of symmetry. See, if we turn like this, then again we will get a same figure. Nice. Both have the same part. And square have four line of symmetry. One, two, sides through two, and two from diagonal. Okay. So any figure have one line of symmetry or more than one line of symmetry, or it may be zero also. So now from where we cut so that it divides in two parts. So can we get? Okay. So more than one figure, more than one line of symmetry. So all regular figure or regular polygon, more than one. So regular figure means they have both all sides, and regular figures are those figures in which all sides are equal and all angle are equal. So if anyone asks you what is the regular figure, so both have all angle and all sides are equal. So that is known as a regular polygon. So regular figure have, depend upon the number of sides, it have a four line of symmetry. A equilateral triangle have also three line of symmetry because it is also a regular figure. So now, so regular figure, hexagon, pentagon, octagon. So depend upon the side. So number of sides equal to number of line of symmetry. So now see, rotational symmetry. I think line of symmetry is complete. Now see. Okay. Have you understood now? Rotational means ghumna. See. See carefully. So in this, we have to turn the figure. See, this is your original position. Means one round means 360 degree. Okay? After rotating 360 degree or one rotation, how many times it will get a same figure? Do you understand now? Clockwise. As a round of the watch. No, देखो see, when you get a same figure, then that is their rotational symmetry. Can we get the original one? $270. Now 360 is complete. So I think after 360 degree, moving 360 degree, then we get a same figure. So it means in one round we get only one time, it get a same figure. So how many order of symmetry? So this figure have one order of symmetry. Now see another figure. See the rectangle. Be carefully see. Now length and breadth. See. See its original position. Original figure is like this. Now see turn. So can we get the same figure? No, 90 degree. See. Okay. So when we turn 180 degree, I think they see same as the original figure. No? One times. Next. Now in 270 can we get the same? No. Now see. Now 360 complete. Again we get one more time. So how many times we get the same figure? After 180 degree and in 360 degree. We will get a original figure. So a rectangle has two order of symmetry. Now see in the square. Okay, see. Here is its original position. Okay. Now after 90 degree, we will get the same figure. Now again, we can see the square now. In 90 degree, it is the same. Again, in 180 degree, again we get the same figure. Again, turn. Now it's 270 degree now. Again, we will find out square. Again, 270 degree. We will get the same figure. Now, again, we get the same dot. Then after 360 degree, again, we get a same dot. Okay. So now in 4 times, we will get a same order of symmetry. So a square have 4 order of rotational symmetry. Is it clear? Once more thing, that is the center of rotation. Okay? See, this is known as the center of rotation. One and second one is also angle of rotation. So that is 90, 180, 270, 360 is known as the angle of symmetry. And that is where we have write the pin. So it's order.